Pakita mo kasi. Lost and found. Bakit ba hindi ang ganito? Ito, missing. Ito, missing. Show it, Katsi. Show it.
Mamaya namatay na Koreano pala.
Show it. Hindi Koreano. This is a Japanese snack. This is a sticker that comes with the candy. Ba't ganun? May ganun, may lost and found. Baka siya yung ano. Hala, mamultuin tayo.
Short story.
Wait.
Kailan naging cherry ang grape?
Your
Dudugyot na tama.
Okay. Okay na, Nagulo na gito eh. Nakakado. Kita video. Ay na, nagkukulo na.
Bring me naman na in the camera, Katsi. Si Katsi hindi na makatal na.
Where's her teeth? I thought she lost her teeth. I cannot see her teeth anymore like boy. Alright, look. Hi guys! Welcome again sa aming channel. My name is Stilette.
And my name is Hannah.
My name is Kathy.
For today's video, ang gagawin namin guys is we're gonna be trying this Japanese snacks. So I ordered like a $7 Japanese snacks in Amazon. And we decided to try the Japanese snack. For that reason, because mas siya yung pinakamurang world snack na nakita ko sa Amazon. That's why I choose this one. So this comes in a box. Nung ma-receive ko siya, actually it took like more than a week bago dumating. So this is $7 from Amazon. And it comes with this. Alright, nga pala guys, I am gonna be using this Super Stay matte ink. Maybelline. Ayan. Ang dami-dami nagsasabi na try mo yun kasi maganda daw. 24 hours daw siya. So,
Bagong bili mo?
yeah, so this is lip color. Ay, hindi ko alam anong Rogue.
Kailan mo binili?
80. Doon nagpunta kami ng Walmart. So, ito yung nagustuhan kong kulay. Hindi siya ganun ka-red. Mas gusto ko yung mga ganitong, what do you call this?
Lipstick.
Shade. Ganito yung mga gusto kong shade. So, Super Stay Matte Ink. I got it from Walmart for $7. So, ito yung tatry natin. Titingnan natin kung matatanggal siya. They say it will last for like 24 hours. I don't know. Tingnan natin. Alright, let's move on sa ating Japanese snack. Look at the packaging of these products na binigay nila as a snack. Tigi-isa talaga siya. Ayan, tigi-isa. Meron pa siyang mga ganyan. So, it comes with some, meron pa siyang nakalagay na, ano ba yung nakalagay? Oh, what is this? So, nakalagay dito guys, Japanese expiration date.
Month.
Pero wala naman siyang date talaga.
Nilagay lang nila year.
Yeah, I know. Kachi's kind of excited. She's trying to... Okay.
Show you the sticker.
I don't know. Oh yeah, this is a sticker. It
No,
says...
this is-
It is. Look. December, Merry Christmas, Akiba King. Tapos may parang website dito, sabi niya, https://akibaking.com. I don't know, is this from Akiba King? Yeah. I think I ordered it from Akiba King. Nakalagay dito from Yamashita Shoten. And tapos nakalagay yung address. Tapos yung aking name and address as well. Alright, Kachi's really excited at gusto na yung buksan lahat. Okay, what do you want to try first? Okay, ito guys. Try daw namin itong... Ang cute nito.
Ganito sila, no? Ilalagay nila yung design, pero sa, ano lang, plastic lang. Wala talaga siyang design.
Oh, really? Oh. Akala ko may design talagang panda. Tapos nasa plastic lang pala. So parang may puti na
Actually,
biscuit.
lahat ata ganun eh. O, tignan mo to.
Ay, ang cute!
Pero, design lang sa plastic.
Alright, so this is my first time. Para siyang biscuit, guys. Tapos meron siya parang cream. Pero yung sa plastic or wrapper niya or sa packaging niya, meron parang panda. So, akala ko kanina,
Kasama.
may panda siyang ano design. Oh, Okay, okay. Gusto nilang i-try this one. I cannot read what is the name of this biscuit kasi ano siya, oh, Japanese. Japanese. Okay. Buksan natin. Oh, you have to bite it first.
Just taste.
Because everybody's gonna... And then you're gonna
How is it?
tell us. Give her some time to react first naman. Grabe naman. Hawas itagin ka, kagagat lang yan.
It's good.
Oh, ikaw.
It's good. Not good.
Okay, asukal yung puti. Normal na biscuit.
Ikaw. Okay. Yung biscuit.
Parang pita.
Yeah, parang siyang pita tapos matamis yung puti. Parang siyang asukal nga na. Asukal, right? Asukal. Alright, next natin guys. Itong
Marshmallow.
si Kachi ang namimi. Excited.
It's marshmallow.
Okay, wala ulit siyang pangalan kasi nga Japanese. We cannot
Pero
tell.
parang siyang...
Pero para siyang marshmallow inside. Ang cute ng packaging niya kasi para siyang Merry Christmas. Christmas theme talaga. Alright, so we're gonna open it. And that you will first bite. Oh, there's something inside! May feeling siya. Okay, my turn.
It's a choco filling.
Oh! Oo nga, chocolate. Sarap.
Chocolate with marshmallow.
Masarap no? Nagustuhan ko siya. Okay. Chocolate, marshmallow with chocolate filling. Hala, pili pa yung mana ang second. What's the next?
I don't know what.
Let's try this. My turn, my turn.
Si ate muna. Oh, ate wants to try something.
I wanna try this.
What?
Parang karne pero in a snack.
Sige, tatry daw niya yan. Go ahead. Open it. Uy. Ano yan, te? Wala nakalagay na pangalan. Ano yan? Parang bacon. What's that? Beef?
Nagkulnat!
Nakulnat. Okay. Maano siya, anong makulnat sa Tagalog?
Chewy? Chewy?
Ha? Ano makulnat? Ano ba yun? Makunat.
Ay, mga...
Ano ba
I
ito?
don't like that. I don't think you like that.
What?
So what?
Looks like a squid.
Pero beef siya.
Parang siyang squid.
Pero-
Daing. Parang daing. Hindi, parang siyang gawa sa ano. Alam mo yung seaweed?
My favorite.
Like a seaweed. And it like as a squid, like a... So, I don't know if it's a fish or
Confused kami ngayon.
something. Yan o
Kasi
yung
sabi ko
drawing.
beef, sabi ng mama ko salmon.
I know, I don't know. What is this color?
Lipstick mo.
Is this my lipstick? What happened? Ano nangyari sa lipstick? Parang may lipstick na yung kamay. Candy tablets.
Yeah, I know
Fashion
that.
tablets. So, you know this one already.
Yeah.
There.
One for me.
Alright, for you. Titan. Oh!
It's not.
What? Ew, don't do that. Yeah, it melts. You like it?
Yeah.
Ayoko. Okay, ako naman. It's my turn daw to pili. Dito tayo titingin. Saan kayo nakatingin? Okay, doon ako nakatingin. Alright, this one guys, parang siyang si Doraemon mo to. Si Doraemon ata tong cute ng packaging niya, pero ano lang siya kasi pira-piraso lang nilang binigoy. Okay, so hindi ko ulit mabasa pero galing to sa www.yaukin.com nakalagay siya. Hindi ko ulit siya mabasa guys. So bubuksan na lang natin para tikman. Ooh. So parang cheese curls. Ano na yung tawag dito na cheese dog? Alam mo yung doon? Cheese dog sa atin. Matamit. Matamit.
Matamis na maahim.
Matamis siya. Parang hindi cheese dog. Hindi nga siya cheese dog. Parang fruity, no? Fruity. Pero hindi ko masabi kung anong
Tastes
klase.
like banana.
Is it?
Banana ba yun? Hindi.
Okay, basta matamis. Matamis siya na parang fruity. Ganyan siya. Okay. So, yun yan.
Next!
No, this
Catchy
one.
this.
Okay, ito daw. Ano to? Ang cute naman nito. Oh, tingnan nyo to, guys. Ayan o. Tapos, ito yung nakalagay. Hindi ko ulit mabasa kung sino man yung nakakabasa dyan. Mag-comment na lang below.
Me.
Oh, ano?
I want to eat it.
I know.
Jelly. They're so yummy.
Okay, she's so excited. Okay, here.
Yummy.
I can't even remove it. What is the shape?
Hold on. Let me
Like
do.
a hand. It's a shape
Does
like...
it smell like soda, like Coca-Cola?
I like it.
You like it? Mm.
Wait, I love Coca-Cola.
Just
You know, parang Coca-Cola. Alam niyo yung Coca-Cola candy?
Cola.
Oh, you have a taste.
bite.
Good.
Ano yung amoy mo ng kamay mo?
Bakit?
Amoy bravo. Ano yun?
Good.
Coca-Cola jelly. Parang ganun.
Look at this sticker.
Oh, my turn.
Oh no, my turn.
Dami.
My turn.
Ito. Oh, ang cute nito. Parang cheese girls.
Just fall.
Cheese girls.
My turn.
Okay, I'll open this one. The chilies. Ooh, you have a taste.
Ano yan?
Oh, there's like peanut. Oh, cheese girls. How is it?
I don't know.
Parang ano, yung snack nila na ganyan. Pop rice. Rice crackers, guys.
Oo, pero ang pangat ng lasa.
Tapos parang may mani. May mani. May kasamang peanut. Ano?
Ipakita mo ah. Ano sure?
Hindi naman kayo.
Ito siya.
Kaya maliliit lang siya na rice crackers. Uy, Kachi, you're covering me naman na in the camera, Kachi.
I'm gonna get
Si Kachi hindi na makatalna. Next. Ay, nakapantulog na kami, guys. Look. Look.
friends
This is so comfy. We're ready to
Friends forever.
sleep.
Friends forever.
It's forever.
Okay, go ahead. Ow! Aray, si Kachi ka.
I'm sorry.
Super excited. Oh, ito na daw. Ang cute nito, oh. Nakikita nyo ba? May drawing siyang mingming. Muni.
Pusa.
Mingming. Pusa. Ayan, may pusa-pusa. Pero, para siyang candy na
Parang
circle.
hindi siya
Nag-focus.
Mama. I want to eat. I want to
Wait! Catch! Akin na. Nagulo na gito eh. Nakakado. Kita video. Ay na, nagkukulo daw. Okay, go.
I want
Wait.
to take one.
Oh,
Hati tayo.
careful. I don't know what is that. Parang matigas. Akala ko matigas.
There's a nut inside.
No more for
Sabi ko hati
Dadalawa, iba hatiin. Ang tigas. Tapos pag nahati mo na, nandun na sa bunganga mo.
I saw 4 more.
Okay, wait. Let me tell them about that. It's a candy with chocolate and
Parang M&M.
with chocolate inside. Yeah.
But there's snacks.
Okay, next daw. Ano naman? This is the same chip.
Pero may design na naman.
Okay, let me do this one. Ito naman.
No.
Kachi.
Feeling ko parang
Okay, next. Akin na.
No, mine.
That's-
I'm just gonna...
Okay, here. Ang gugulo nila na ako. Naguguluhan na ako.
This is yours.
Ito na, oh. Next one.
No.
Tapos para siyang may card. Ano ba tawag mo dito? Sa card.
It's...
J. Nakalagay J. Oh, I don't know the name ulit. Oh, Jack. Pero hindi mo ano. Jack lang nakalagay.
Asan yung
Meron
gold
siyang
pink
tear
ano?
here. Wala.
Wala.
Bakit ganun? Walang tear here yung mga ano nilo. Okay, here. I don't know what this is.
Ano chocolate yan?
Ooh,
sticker.
there's a sticker.
I
Wait.
want sticker.
Oh, sticker sa'yo. May
No, there's-
sticker siyang ganun, oh.
There's chocolate.
They hold on. And then may chocolate siya inside. Oh, there. Cute. Oh, tapos may sticker. Ayan, oh, parang yung bazooka. Here. Okay, let's taste it.
What is this?
Taste.
Yummy.
Is it dark?
I don't know. It doesn't say.
Dark chocolate?
Chocolate.
Oh, next is tanan.
Ano yan? Si Doraemon. Ay, si ano? Croppy. Ano yun? Kori-kori-pay.
Froggy.
Okay, let's open.
Froggy.
Walang tear here.
That looks froggy. That looks like froggy.
Oh, hirap
in
tumuksan yung mga
Pokemon.
ano nila. Candy nila. Wala siyang ano yung pagbuksan. Okay, I think this is... Oh, look at Kachi. Yun o, may bilog. Kikita nyo ba, guys?
I didn't see
bilog.
that before.
Ano to? Parang anaktalin. Alam nyo? Alam nyo, anaktalin. Yung nilalagay sa mga damit. Pero maliliit. Parang siyang beads na blue. What's this? What's
Parang
it?
lasang sago.
Sago?
Diba?
Hala, si Kachi. Hala. I thought it fell down.
Diba?
Sarap.
Parang sago.
Anong sago?
Oh,
It's cold.
There's a sticker again.
Parang siyang sweet na.
There's a poop sticker. What? Yucky.
Show it na.
Look, there's a poop sticker.
May poop sticker maliit.
It's a funny poop sticker.
You have a lot of stickers na.
And... Ta-da!
Ano to? Nakalagay is Hujicha cookie. It's a cookie.
I want cookies.
Ang liliit ng ano nila, no? Kaya sila pa yan. Ha? Narantok na si ate. Okay, here.
I don't think I want to eat this.
Ang laki naman kumagat na ito.
Parang may seaweed. Yung cookie niya, parang, alam niyo yung seaweed na ano, nilalagay sa sushi.
May seaweed yung cookie na.
That's so weird. Pero
I
okay.
like it. I like it.
Tolerable man. Okay, next one. Ang cute nito. Merry Christmas. Nakalagay grape candy. Yeah, okay.
Yum, yum, yum,
Tapos
yum,
may
yum,
drawing
yum.
na ganyan. Ang cute niya pang Christmas. Hala. Tapos, yay! Ang cute. Oh, may heart shape.
Ano yan, hard?
Yeah.
No.
Ano? May taste it first.
No.
Hala.
It tastes like Christmas.
Tapos kukunin niya ng
It's a cherry? Oh, it's a grape nga. Grape nga nakalagay. Kaya grape.
Right.
Kailan naging cherry?
What is this?
Ang dudugyot na ng kasama.
Oh, what is this?
Ito naman daw. Kachi. Show it
No,
to them.
no, no.
Dito. Dito. There. Show it.
Here. Look at this, guys. I got something. I don't know how to read this.
Here. Look at the here.
Look, look, look. This is, I cannot read it. Don't sleep! Mama!
Okay, ito daw ang next, guys. We're gonna eat this next one. It's a blue. Shh, I cannot hear naman. This one, blue. Blue candy. It's a chewy. Is it chewy? Ayan,
Nope.
parang chewy siya inside. It's parang milk, no?
Nope.
It's blue color.
Malay mo.
Ooh.
Oh!
Look, show it to them. There is parang feeling that is white. Ganyan stripe.
Oh,
Okay, bite. How is it?
I ate that. I ate the filling all.
Matanggal ang postiso.
What's inside?
Soda.
Ano yan?
Look, I got the blue.
Parang yung iniinom mo. Yung soda.
Milky? Mogo.
Hindi, yung parang in-order mo dati doon na nagpunta tayo sa Yung parang ramen house.
Ah.
Yung mo na soda nila. Yung may milk. Ano ba yun? Parang ganun siya. Ay, sabihin mo nga, ano yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung soda nila parang milk. Tapos may may milk. Ano tawag mo dun sa ano na yun? Yung candy na to is parang may filling. Tapos yung filling niya is soda, tapos may pagka-milk. Ganun. So, naghalo-halo na. Naintindihan nyo, guys? Ako hindi. Okay, next. Ano pa? Mayroon pa ba? Ano tira? Okay. Ito naman daw. Oh, may ninja, oh. Ito mayroon tear here. Ano?
Baka meron din kanina, hindi mo na nabasa.
What? It's a different
Oh, ito naman. Parang yung ano ulit.
Hala.
Let me show it to them. Ito, oh. Mga bilog-bilog ulit.
It tastes like grape.
Oh, kasi it's purple. Na-purple siya. Here.
Sakman mo.
Naguguludan. Kamananan.
Hey, there's a sticker, I think.
May poop sticker ulit. Let me see.
Nope.
Uy, it's falling naman na. Langgamin na tayo dito. Kutunan na tayo.
Yummy.
Kagasi ng put ni Katsi.
It tastes like...
May cigarette. Nice.
Struggle kang tanggalin yung...
Oh, cute. Ano to? Ay, you have to scratch it. Manalo ka daw. Ayun, oh. 50 yen. Like it? You're gonna win. Parang scratch card. I-scratch mo siya, manalo ka daw ng 50, 100 na yen. Tapos, pag nanalo ako, tatawagan ko yung nag-send sa akin itong snack. Sisingilin ko siya. Okay, next. Ito naman tayo. Oh, Christmas ulit. Parang siyang cheese dog.
No.
Uy! Grabe si Katsi talagang ginanon niya yung... Sabi niya, no.
I'm gonna get a bigger one.
Okay, oh, ito daw. Oh, ayaw niya yung pinakita ko. Ito. Oh, ito durog. Parang may seaweed siya, oh. May mga herb. Ganyan siya, guys. Tikman natin. Oh, Katsi. Oh. Sweet corn.
Oh? Oh? Talaga?
Na hindi. Ano ba yun?
Ano ba yun?
May aftertaste. Ano yun? Sweet corn.
Yummy.
Pag kinagat mo, sweet corn. Then after, parang siyang may seaweed. Ay, ang galing nun ah. Perfect. I love it.
Ayaw nga. Ay,
Ah.
gusto ko to.
I like this one. Ang pangalan?
Sarap.
I like this one. It's
Oh,
yummy.
nakalagay lang Christmas.
See,
Christmas.
I told you I want to eat that.
Tapos this is from, sarap nito, Yaukin.com ulit. Yaukin.com.
Ako na lang.
Oh, so yun na. Nagustuhan namin yung...
Oh, next is this.
No, no, no.
Okay, next guys. So, nagustuhan namin yung kanina. Guys, kung mapapansin nyo, I cut my hair. Kinat ko yung bangs ko.
Look at
Ay,
my
oh, talaga?
I did. Sa side. Ayan, oh. Kanina nung naliligo kami. Naliligo ako. Ayan. Oh, ito naman guys, chocolate ulit.
chocolate doesn't have sticker.
Para siyang yung alam mo yung coins na chocolate.
Oo.
Corn chocolate.
Tapos yung nakalagay dito yung expired date. Expired date niya is 11/20/19. Ayan. Show it to them. Oh, let me just...
Break it.
Hachi, uy. Ito, show it. The 10 cents.
10 cents.
Here in the lens.
Tan, 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 tan.
Show it.
I want to eat.
I know you want to eat.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Oy. Oh, here.
Para po kaming may hayop dito.
Oo nga, ang gulo niyo. Uy. Sarap.
Parang pieces.
Okay, this is super tamis. Ito hindi.
Now you can taste this.
Parang yung dab.
No, I wanna taste another one over there.
Oh, okay. I don't like it though. I'm not gonna eat this one.
Saan? Wala. Ay, binuksan
This
mo
too
na.
much.
Oh, ito daw ulit. Parang yung kanina. Hindi ko alam pangalan
I want
ulit.
this.
Pero parang siyang yung makunat ulit na tiny na snack
Mom,
nila.
Mom.
Tapos may drawing siyang ganito. Sino ba yun, oh? May drawing na ganito. I cannot read, guys. So, if you know how to read this,
Mom.
just comment down below kung anong pangalan nitong, ano. Pero nakalagay dito,
Taste it.
wasabi nori.
Ah.
Akin.
I want this.
Wasabi.
I want this one. It's gonna taste good.
Sino mag...
Ah, this one gonna taste good. Ah, this one gonna taste I want this one. This one.
Okay, so guys, hindi namin nagustuhan to. Parang siyang yung wasabi nga pala yan. Oh, wasabi nori daw pangalan niya.
I want this one.
Okay, next. Let's move on. Oh, ito daw ulit. Sabi ni Kachi.
Baka bago mo.
Ah, parang yung circle beads na naman.
This one too.
Oh, meron na ito kasi.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Ah, so meron lahat sila. Hindi ka lang marunong.
Hindi yung beads
It's
ka.
the same.
Ayan ulit, parehas.
No, no, no. It's with a sticker.
With a sticker. You had the sticker ulit kanina. With sticker ulit.
Look, it's not a sticker. It's a...
Here, ulit ka here kami.
Ay, ganun na lang.
Can't you sit down so they can see you? Oh, ang gulo mo naman, anak ko. Oh, just sit down here.
Burao to.
Hmm?
And last but not the least.
Ang tipid ng snacks. Oh, ito naman daw next.
Last na yan.
Or last na ba to?
Wala na tayong snacks.
Nagustuhan
I
natin
think
yung
it's a
ganito kanina.
scratch again.
Okay,
Oh,
scratches, you can be a winner. Chocolate. Mauna na ako.
Ang sarap.
Parang may ganito tayong snack sa Pilipinas.
Wala.
Adda.
Nobe.
Adda ka.
Yung ganyan natin, marshmallow yun.
Adda kasi ito, parang may natikman ako na cheese curls na may coat siyang chocolate noon. Nung mataas yan. You like that? Na meron pa daw. Ulas na. Bilog-bilog ulit.
Ah, tama na yung bilog-bilog. Naumay na kami.
That's the small balls again.
Yeah, beads. Beads. Oh, bilog ulit.
Look, look,
Wala siguro to kaya ang dami niyang binigay.
look, they have a sticker.
Ganun ulit. Circle ulit na bilog-bilog beads. Hindi naman siguro tayo malakas.
The winner is...
Uy,
the
Kachi, it's
corn.
falling naman, Kachi. Oh, ito si tatay mo. Ito yung nawawala. Ipakita mo, Kachi. Lost and found.
Bakit ba sticker na ganito? Ano to, missing?
Ito, missing. Show it, Kachi. Show it.
Mamay namatay na Koreano pala.
Show it, Kachi. Hindi Koreano. This is a Japanese snack. This is the sticker that comes with the candy. Ba't ganun? May ganun, may lost and found. Baka siya yung ano. Hala mo, multuin tayo.
Short story.
Okay, mag-wrap up na kami, guys. Ang nagustuhan namin ito, yung cheese curls kanina na parang may sweet corn, tapos after that
May parang seaweed
may
taste.
seaweed after. Pero masarap siya kasi.
And then, yung
We like
next
this
is
one.
yung marshmallow.
Can you tell
with
us what's the
chocolate
name of
filling.
this? If you guys did try this also, I don't know how to read that. So, yan. This is, ito yung nagustuhan namin. Alright, guys. So, that's all for tonight. Tingnan nyo nga kung natanggal yung aking lipstick. Natanggal? Yung aking Maybelline.
Hindi.
Ayun siya, guys. Hindi siya natanggal, no? So, matagal naman siguro. So, we'll see. Isusuot ko to hanggang bukas. Tignan natin kung I'll keep you updated or posted. Tignan natin kung matatanggal siya.
Hindi daw po siya mag-brush.
So, sabi kasi 24. Magpa-brush ako, syempre. Tapos, tignan natin kung matatanggal ang aking super matte Maybelline. Alright, guys. Say bye, Tachi.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again next time on another episode here at The Let's Eat
G
Girls. Alright, bye.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so eto na siya. Update ko na kayo about sa aking Maybelline Super Stay Matte Matte Ink. This is a liquid matte from Maybelline. So, sabi nila it will stay for about 24 hours. So, after 3 hours, I did not retouch because I wanted to show you kung ano yung mangyayari. And I eat, I drink. Ito na, pagkatas ko uminom, kumain. Ito na siya guys, hindi actually siya nagstay.